Most people never get started investing because they think that they need thousands of dollars or they need to be rich in order to get started in the stock market. There's two ways that you can start your investment journey, and that's with lump sum investing or the method that I've used in order to start the portfolio that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, and that is dollar cost averaging or DCA. Dollar cost averaging is just the strategy where you're going to invest a set amount of money over a consistent period of time. What dollar cost averaging does is it helps investors average down on their costs, as well as hopefully it's going to allow you to buy more shares at a lower cost basis. The awesome thing about dollar cost averaging is that you can get started investing with a small amount of money, as well as it creates the discipline and habits of investing, as well as it helps with the emotions of the stock market going up and down. Also, it allows you to be a more passive investor because you can auto invest by having that set dollar amount go into your brokerage account on a set day or a set period of time. I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of ourselves. Let's look at the SoFi Invest fractional share portfolio. So first, let's look at the activity since our last video, which was on December 5th. Up until today, I'm recording this on December 15th. I do have some buys in for today, as you can see here. And we'll go down to the bottom. So on December 7th, I did sell my position in Intuitive, and I had a little over a quarter of a share. And as you can see, I received $107 in equity from that sale. I bought some Activation Blizzard. I did sell Costco also out of this portfolio. I had a little over 1/3 of a share, and I received $127.46. And then I also bought some Microsoft, Tesla, Roku, Amazon, Netflix. I bought some more of the weekly paying ETF, bought some more Activation Blizzard, Netflix, Roku, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and then Apple. And then I also bought some of the monthly paying ETF BND. And then as you can see, I received a dividend from Microsoft for 33 cents, and that was reinvested back into buy more of Microsoft. Then I bought some more Netflix, some more TGIF, BND, Activation Blizzard, Microsoft, Roku, Amazon. And then I received my weekly dividend from TGIF of 3 cents that was invested back to buy more of TGIF. And then I received the special dividend from Costco. Since I didn't have a full share, I only had 1/3 of a share. I received about 1/3 of a dividend. That money just went back into the equity that I had in the portfolio because I no longer own Costco, so it could not be reinvested. And then I bought a couple of other shares, a couple of other stocks, BND, Tesla, and Apple. And those were the buys that I made so far this week, and the sales that I made since our last video, as well as the dividends that I were paid since the last video. So now we'll look at the portfolio. As you guys can see, we are over $3,000 in the portfolio. That's with market gains of $970.15. Net contribution to the portfolio is only $2,066.25. And total dividends paid since I started this portfolio in September of 2019 is $27.18 for a total 32% return on this portfolio as of today. Now, as you guys can see, we still have a buying power of $50. As I showed you guys earlier, we have $25 in pending buys. And currently we own almost 2.5 shares of Apple, up 59% for a $114 gain. BND, we're now over 3 shares, up $3.94. Tesla still right at a little over 1 share, up $515.49 for a 250% gain. VU, same as last update, up $12.63. Amazon, I have been adding to, up $46.14. Netflix, right at half a share, up $34.52. Kroger's still down, so I haven't sold out of this position yet, but I do plan on selling these 6 shares once the stock goes back up. It, like I said, had some stuff happen with earnings, so the stock has been down this past week. And Microsoft, almost at 1 share, up $10.43. Wells Fargo, still looking to sell this, and I will be probably selling out of these stocks by the end of the year to make up for gains. I will take my loss in order to make up for gains that I have in the portfolio. American Airlines, same thing, looking to sell. NRZ looking to sell. BP looking to sell. Activation Blizzard, I've been adding to this a little over 2 shares, up $22.77. Then we have Roku, a little over 1 share, up $197.14. T still looking to sell, and then we have the weekly paying ETF, TGIF, almost at 1 share, up $1.13. And as you can see, guys, we're almost just about there with cleaning up the portfolio. That way, the money that I contribute to the portfolio every single week, which is now going to be $50 a week. We went from $25 a week all the way up to $50 a week. We'll be able to go into probably these top 10 core positions so that I can dollar cost average into these positions and grow these positions a lot faster. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like button. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss other updates of this portfolio, as well as hit that bell notification. Leave a comment below with any questions. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and have an amazing day.